Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. As you can see from the title, we'll be working with amandahair, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to put this glueless wear and go unit on. This unit is a 7x5 HD lace closure wig unit from amandahair in body wave, 26 inches, and this is what it's giving in terms of fullness. They sent it to me already pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. All I had to do was just slap the wig on my head, put some curls in it, and this was the end result. If you'd like to see how I did the quick and easy glueless install, as well as add gorgeous layers and volume to this hair with these curls, just keep on watching. And if you'd like to purchase this super affordable and easy, ready to go and wear unit, don't forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box to purchase. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Hey, you ain't flying baby squirrel. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't sitting down pearls. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce car. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wallet all my hoes. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I'ma play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you my real nigga seals. Rolls Royce still on the field. Oh, you ain't tough on. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roll it off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't two SPM. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't singing. Oh, you ain't demon. Shout out the demon. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, I ain't scream. Damn, hey, you ain't flying through the spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't sitting down pearls. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce car. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wallet all my hoes. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I'ma play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you my real nigga seals. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo, look. Six guy, he a visionary. I'm the definition like the dictionary. Baby, turn around, forget the missionary. If they pull up on me with some bad intentions, you gon' read about it in a obituary. I got more soldiers in the military. Got more stones in the cemetery. I have more strings in y'all in February. It's getting hard to put a price on a show. Can't even pick it amount now. If a nigga really try to jam me, get jammed first like the countdown. I thank God for that flight straight from the 9 side going southbound. They say that life's about balance, baby, and the balance is in my account now. Okay, she got a perk in the earth. I got a turkey and turkey. She probably let both of us hit. The way that we smirking and dirty. She getting cake on the picture she take. I say, girl, I've been working at work. Fuck a winning dress, I'm trying to murder this. Hey, you ain't flying through the spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't sitting down pearls. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce car. Hey, you in a Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you wanna wallet all my hoes. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I'ma play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field.
So today's gorgeous unit is from Amandahair. They went ahead and sent me this 7x5 HD lace closure pre-cut lace wig unit. It is from Amandahair, and this gorgeous unit is in body wave, and it's super nice and full, and it is also 26 inches, so it is long as well. I'm living for the fullness of this gorgeous wig unit. The curls are amazing, and I did not have to cut too much layers into it. The hair still retains that 26-inch length, which I am living for. And I'm telling you, this hair holds a curl very, very well. The curls are really nice and shiny, lustrous, and gorgeous. I cannot stop running my hands through this hair, and it is pretty much waves at this point, but still, you know, giving curls in the same sense. The volume is definitely there, and I'm loving this unit. So if you'd like to get your hands on this wig unit, I would highly recommend, because it is 100% glueless. I can take it off if I want to. This wig is not attached by anything but the bands that allow it to have that glueless technology, because this is a wear and go unit, and I did add my hairspray to it so I could give the lace that nice melt that it gives a realistic effect. But so far so good. I'm having no issues, no problems, and I'm coming closer. It was so easy to do this baby hair, and the lace is literally seamless, blends very well with my skin tone, and that is also something I love about this unit. So if you'd like to get a very good quality unit on a budget, and it gives you the, you know, very dramatic effect where the curls are concerned, where the fullness is concerned, definitely do not sleep on Amandahair. And the gorgeous wig link for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.